In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut using Proton VPN, especially if CapCut is banned or unavailable in your region, like in India. This method works on both Android and iPhone, and it only takes a couple of minutes. And remember, if you want a VPN with more countries, faster speeds, and much more stable downloading and streaming performance, I personally recommend NordVPN. You'll find a link in the description to try it at a discount. But for now, let's use Proton VPN for this process. First, open the Proton VPN app on your device. When the app launches, you'll see the main dashboard with a map and a list of available server locations. If you are using the free plan, you will notice that Proton VPN only gives access to a few countries, while the paid plan unlocks many more locations. To start changing your location, tap the country currently displayed at the top of the app. Then tap the Change Server option. Proton VPN will show you another available server you can switch to. If you are on the free plan, Proton VPN may rotate servers in the same region, and you may need to try a couple of times until you land in a country where CapCut is available, such as the United States, the Netherlands, or Japan. If you are on a paid plan, you can scroll through the full list and simply pick the country you want and connect instantly. Once you select your location, Proton VPN will begin connecting. Give it a few seconds, and when it says connected, your IP address is now switched to that country. This means the Play Store or App Store will now treat you as if you are located there, which helps unlock apps that were blocked before. Now, open your device's App Store. If CapCut didn't appear earlier or showed unavailable in your region, refresh and search again. On Android, if the Play Store still hasn't updated, go into your phone settings, open the Play Store app settings, and clear the cache and data. Then reopen the Play Store and search for CapCut again. On iPhone, simply exit the App Store, close it from multitasking, reopen it, and check again. CapCut should now appear with the Download button. Tap Install and wait for the download to finish. Once CapCut is installed, you can open and use it normally. Just keep in mind that if the app is restricted in your region, you may need to stay connected to Proton VPN when opening CapCut. Otherwise, it might not load properly or show some limitations. And that's how you download CapCut using Proton VPN. Proton VPN is a good option if you only need a few locations and basic privacy protection. However, NordVPN offers much faster speeds, a significantly larger server list, smoother downloading and streaming, and better reliability in countries where apps like CapCut are heavily restricted. If you want the best performance, there's a link in the description where you can try NordVPN at a discount.